Hey, thanks for coming back and watching Rolling Country Outdoors, and I appreciate it. She is behind the camera, so thanks. We are getting this planter box cleaned up so she can get it painted and we'll get it put back on the house. This is another one of those projects that's on our 2026 project list, so nice to start getting these worked off, but we have a little bit of time here between rain, so we're going to try to get this knocked off. So here we go.
Remember the bar broke off there.
This bar?
No, yes. So you're going to have to put something at the bottom.
Yeah.
So either we're going to have to put, I don't know, a piece of wood or something. Do we have plastic or something to let water through?
Yeah.
Because you remember that brown basket liner I have?
Yeah.
That's what's going to go in it. So it has to let water through. Oh, hang on. I'm over here. Okay.
Oh, that is.
What?
Looks like it's threaded in there. I don't know. So this is an old gate hanger that we found here on the property over there in the bank barn area. And so we're going to repurpose it, use it for a bracket to hold a post together out there. So that's what these are from. An old gate hanger. That's what it is. So let's see if we can get these knocked out of here.
Actually, it looks like the hinges that are on the gates now. Doesn't it?
Yeah.
One down. How many more to go? Has he been stubborn?
It's moving. It's just been there for years.
He wants to stay there for a few more years.
Yeah. Well, it's moving.
It's hard to hang on to a hammer, isn't it?
Yep.
Oop, there it goes.
There it goes. So ain't no telling how old that is. I bet it's clearly over 100 years old.
Yeah.
I mean, because it looks like it's been hand forged, and we had the square nuts on there. Probably 125, maybe 150. I don't know. Who knows? Well,
The house is
185,
85.
so it might be 175
Yeah.
years old. Who knows? Who knows?
Is
Who
it?
knows how long it was in service for?
It's going to be in service again.
Yeah, it was the old square nuts that was on there. So that's what was on there.
The other one's down by your feet somewhere.
I'm not sure keep those. I don't know.
No. Spray and record at the same time. Phew. Might help if I push record. Okay. Doing my husband's favorite job. I think he likes to paint more than he likes to throw man glitter. Right, dear? Say right.
I'm not sure what you said. I ain't falling for that. I've been doing it now, but it wasn't last night.
I said you love to paint more than what you love to throw man glitter.
You know.
Sure. Okay. Got primer on it. We'll let it dry and come back and give it a fresh coat of paint. As my husband says, remodeling. Line it up. There's one side that has the curled, or did you get it
I
out?
got it.
Okay.
Right there.
Wherever it can hold it.
Butter screw.
Is this where it goes though?
I guess that's where you want it.
Lucky for you, I still had one left.
Yeah, I see that. You gotta make a hole.
Down just a. Oh, you're having
Better
problems.
not be any snakes in here.
Yeah. Psst.
There?
Yeah. It was just a little too high. All the bugs. What is going on?
There we go. How you like it?
I love it so far.
Just for decoration, really.
I need another screw up there.
Yep, I'll have to get one.
Hopefully we can keep the critters out now. Don't you remember last year me telling you that groundhog that kept coming in?
Yeah.
That was all loose. There's some in there, but task. And then I'll finish pushing dirt around it and it'll be done. Knock this one off the list.
Yes, that's what we need.
Yay.
Off the list. There we go.
Thank you, dear.
Happy, dear?
Yes.
All right. Okay, let's see what we got here. I don't know what this wad is.
Yes. So. Something happened to it. It wasn't me.
I don't know what that was about. Anyway, it's cleaned up. Seven and 8. I'm cutting the boards to fit in the bottom of here. It's PVC board is what I'm doing. Perfect. That'll work. Perfect. So that's what we're doing. I just put those 2 PVC boards on the bottom of there. That'll give it some support since the middle board is missing. And then she'll just paint that black with the rest of it and be good to go.
Okay, here we go. Give it some paint. Multitasking today.
All right, I'm back out here this evening. Quick project just to get this basket hung back up that she painted. She painted this. I'm gonna get it hung back up.
See, I kept everything together. So what made you think of the brackets?
I just went and looked because I knew this is where this was.
Was it with it?
Yeah. Luckily for you.
Not luckily for you. Because I kept the stick and bolts over here for the longest time, and then I took them to the basement.
How long has it been off? For a year?
Yeah, try over a year. you're doing.
Well, it's a done deal now.
I can probably. Did you see if those other things were dry yet?
What are the things?
Board things that go underneath.
Oh, I didn't check. All right, let me go get the boards for the bottom. Those should be done.
Are they dry enough?
They're tacky, but
Take out their socks before you go inside. You got crap all over them.
I think it'll work.
One in the back and one in the front.
One of them.
I don't think it's wide enough.
Was it made for this?
Not really made for this one, but see, I'm gonna have to cut it.
Can't get one for it big enough. So what are you planting in?
Flowers we picked out together
Yeah.
in the rain.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see. Did we have the puppies with this batch? Since we went back twice.
Not the syrup, though.
So I don't think we had them with this one then.
This is the last of your planting this year.
I sure hope so.
What are you planting?
Marigolds.
Marigolds.
French marigold. Okay, so what are these called? Creeping Ginny marigolds. So we got Bonanza something. Bolero. And where'd the other one go? Bonanza Flame. French marigold. I always like marigolds. They seem to do good. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Somehow we got broke off. Doggone it. Okay. Doggone it. Keep missing. Okay. Here's some spring water. Nothing in it. Mother Nature. Dirt off. Here we go. Well, hopefully they'll grow. Oh, it's a little sticky too.
All right, we've been all over the place in this video. We got this basket hung back up on the wall and got the flowers in there, so it turned out good. I think this is where we're gonna end this video. Kind of been all over the place today, just knocking off some smaller items on our project list. So it's good to get this one done and getting that fence shored up in the back. So all's good. Thanks for watching Rolling Country Outdoors. I really do appreciate it. If you don't mind, take the time to hit the like button, share our videos, and we'll catch you on the next one. Y'all take care.